We got the MyCru car meet over here at Kroger's in Goshen. It's pretty weak. A lot of people ain't come out. But anyway, let me show you what we did bring out. Got this green Subi of Alexander. Fuck we had. This is Fox, is his nickname. That's why you go by. That hood is dope as shit. There's that. It's MyCru. He's got one in the back too, I'm not sure.
Yeah, because I had my more pumps can.
Nope. That's that. We got Brian Wright, the old school Camaro.
The exhaust pad is fucked up. Eat the low ball can.
Mr. Trap My Ride ain't here today. He got him a new stop sign white wrap MyCru on here. He's got him the drag radials on there. You can't see them, but they on there. This bitch is scoop for what it is now. That Altima, I believe. She got some underglow. She got a MyCru. That makes her a car club official. She's a Pittsburgh Steelers fan, so that makes her a loser. And my car. MyCru played it. Rose gold, literally. Punk ass, half ass garage. Boom. He should have brought his ass over here and kicked it with us. Got the underglow, got the rose gold up the pillars, and all that bullshit. We've all seen it. You know, the goddamn car. It is what it is. Can't even see the MyCru banner here. I parked like this so I can see this bitch, and you can't even see it. There it goes. Them wheels, this motherfucker just sitting right. This is my temporary sponsor. I'm about to move to Nicole Von Holden. She's gonna take over all my graphics. We got the crew, everybody sitting out right here. Look at this, we got kids, grown folks. Yeah. Oh no, over there. It's just segregated. Yeah, they got the ZL1 Ram package on tonight. The MyCru. Jose. Mr. Maldonado. MyCru. Puerto Rican MyCru. See ya, PR1. What's happening? Boy, they live. Josh Tavernier. Got a new little Beamer. I think he had this bad boy out at New Paris Speedway beating the clock. What time did you get on Beat the Clock, Josh? What time did you run on Beat the Clock? Can't remember? Oh, you know I'm on a video. You don't want to tell them?
I really don't remember. I was pissed off.
Guess something really fucking fast. 13.5.
5'9".
It's Honda. This cat just got with us. The MyCru. This is some traffic right here. This is Eric. There's MyCru down there. Got the rear wheel sticking out a little bit. Kind of like Jose shit. Sure, this dude. Yeah. Got his Honduran MyCru on the back. This is a dope Mustang. He ain't with us. Well, he's here with us. He's just not MyCru. It's just dope, but I like them rims. What I like. Is that Stanley? Raleigh. I think he's got the Subaru put up for the year. Yeah, it's Stanley. And what is this? It's a nice damn Essential. Oh, this is new as shit, is why. You got some carbon fiber shit on here. Carbon plastic. What a, oh damn, you got diffuser? Okay, that's what I'm talking about. This cat, they upgrade that shit fast in a hurry. They playing around. I don't know, but that Mustang's clean. I bet you that motherfucker's a V6. That big ass, I wouldn't. He got some Ruchis on there. I wouldn't have no V8 tearing them up. Fuck that. It's Jacob. That's what it is. It's Sam I am. Sam Rose. He got scuffed up. Got the stock wheels on. That's why he got a white MyCru. Brand new. Oh, homeboy's working on his holes down there. His rust. He's working on that shit. That's dope. Jose on the pull out. Starting to do his horn. Vader. You getting low again? Vader. That says static, I guess. That says MyCru and a Japan flag. Say stock wheels because his other one's broke in that car accident. He still got his Japanese stuff in there and his sword. Some gangster ass star in there, whatever that is. G35. His wife's car, Sierra. Couple lights underneath. The MyCru is sun faded, doesn't match your car now. It did match that bitch. That sucks. Under the hood is nice. And I mean, this is just the ZL1. Ain't no more to talk about, really. You guys boy get MyCru on. Eddie rolling. Jay, stepdaddy.
Pero los chapineses fueron por sí.
Jay Garcia, BMW. How do I stretch these videos out to last this long when they ain't even, but I don't even know how many cars is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yeah, but 18 cars here, and I managed to make this video last 10 minutes. Alright. Kroger's. We out here.